If you've been wondering if Alpha Infuse works, or if you're just looking for a hair tonic to bring in the hair, we're in the same boat. So unlike previous videos, I'm not going to go into detail on how to do this stuff or my thoughts about it. I'm just going to show you the results real quick. I'm anxious to see as well. I'll probably need to cut my hair soon again because it's starting to grow out, which kind of makes the balding spot look stand out a little bit more. Before I begin, I have to first I'll show you the dry look, and then I have to wash my hands and my hair before doing it because it's the end of the day. It's at night right now, and you're supposed to have your scalp clean because you punch holes into the head. So okay, let's go into the comparison video real quick. Today I'm using the recently released Luna Ultra by Insta360, and I've got it set at 8K, and then I'll shrink it down in the timeline to 4K. So it should be really crisp and clear, and you should be able to get a good view of my head. But let's see how it goes. Okay, so looking at my head from the top, you can see here that it's, let me get the light. I hope that makes it a little bit easier. So you can see I've got the basic thinning that's, you know, popular with guys, with men here, and then the big friar tuck going on. Wow, guys, that looks like worse than before. Can you see? Let me try and zoom in. Oh wow, it's kind of easy to use this camera. Can we go in 3 times? Okay, that's 3 times. Is it too bright? Okay, I will set up there we go. Okay. There we go. It's weird though, you know, like this area looks longer than the rest of my hair, but I'm pretty sure I cut that short. So maybe the hair around where I'm applying it is actually growing in more, which is interesting. Real quickly, I will wash my hands and hair, and I'll show you the wet version and compare it with previous days that I had my hair wet, because you can see the balding much better when it's wet. Okay, the hair is washed, hands are washed. They give you 4 micro-infused bottles. Oops, sorry, 4 micro-infused bottles, needle bottles for 4 bottles of serum. So they recommend that you change the bottle for each application, and I kind of agree with that because it's such a pain in the butt. You have to wash these or sterilize them every time, but it's expensive. So I guess I don't even remember the price, but you have to pay extra. So I'm not doing it. I'm just going to do the 4 serums to 1 microneedle. Today I start a new serum bottle. Just kind of disinfecting it there. Once I move the serum, you need to pump the needles a little bit so that the serum goes through the needles smoothly and into your scalp. I didn't notice any itching of the scalp this week. I did this right after coming back from Okinawa, so you might notice in the last video my scalp might have looked a little red. I don't think it's from the serum. I think it's from the sun, Miyakojima. Yeah, it looks like it's going through. Okay, and yeah, there's really nothing to talk about, really. To be honest, I don't feel like more hair is growing in today, this week. Like 1 or 2 weeks ago, I really felt like it was starting to come in. I thought I saw some little black dots. That's when I actually, when I thought I saw the black dots, I shot with this camera, the Luna, and I guess I deleted the footage after. I was kind of just messing around with the new camera, trying to see how it works. And it was kind of easy, actually. It's easy to take. If any of you guys are interested in these cameras, but they're expensive. I'm kind of going all in on my other channel. Actually, I have 2 other channels. One channel is teaching English to Japanese people, which is really passion of mine. Let me get a different angle here for you guys. But anyway, I really love the culture here. So I was just always teaching and not getting out enough, even though I love this country so much and I love the culture and climbing the hills and the temples. They're just so sick, man. And of course, I initially came here to do martial arts. Thus the channel name. I guess I can, watch this, guys. I can track myself. Hope I don't screw it up. There we go, auto tracking. So now it'll follow me around. Kind of cool, huh? Okay, hope it doesn't mess it up though. All right, so yeah, that's why I'm the Dad Bod Black Belt, because actually I have a couple black belts in a couple different arts. And that's why I came here. But then, you know, when you get the kids and the wife, and you gotta make money. So I got totally out of martial arts. I mean, I didn't even have interest in it. It was like my whole life since I was about 14, 15 years old. And then just, you know, life happens. But actually, I'm starting to get into it again. I really want to start. I think now that, you know, the kids are getting older and the wife is pretty much ignoring me anyway, you know, I have more time for myself. So I'd like to get into the martial arts more, but I'm definitely getting into touring, traveling in Japan more. I did 2 trips to Okinawa, 1 trip with the wife. I was planning on going alone, but when I told her I was going, she said she wanted to go too. And then I went again with a student of mine just last week, Miyakojima. That was so fun. Oh my God. And we did jet ski and some snorkeling, and yeah, it was really fun. Okay, well, I'm not going to bore you guys with this. I will finish up. I'm sure you have enough footage, views of the balding. Let me get the front. You see that? And hopefully, you know, I'm looking forward to checking out the videos also. We'll compare them afterwards. And hopefully we'll see some growth, because, you know, the alternatives are not that great.